Hey, the fourth dimension in the building. What's going on, people? It's your boy Ken Jackson Hill. Hope you guys doing all right. We back with the same Jeep, different video, same day. Today, hope you guys doing okay. Once again, make sure to let me know in the comments what's going on. I'll respond to you if you need somebody to talk to. Type it out in the comments. I know how it is out there in the world. It's hard. People don't listen to you no more. I listen to you. What's up? Go and type it in the comments. Anyway, right there, we changing your cabin air filter for your 2016 Jeep Patriot. Not just 2016, but the other models that look like this one. Dodge Mopar itself, well known for reusing a bunch of shit over and over and over again. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Anyway, it's nice to have a little refresh once in a while. Mopar, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, it's nice, all right? You ain't got to use the same thing over and over, over and over and over and over. You're making no progress, man. You're supposed to be progressing. This is mankind around here. We got 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're gonna have to take this off. You're gonna lift this up. You're gonna take this out. Actually, you can leave that in there. You're gonna lift this up. That's where your air filter is gonna be. Here's the new air filter that is going in there. K&N. Who that? That's a FedEx truck sounding like that. High flow air filter performance, designed to increase horsepower and acceleration. The main reason, once again, just like the cabin air filter, the main reason the owner wants this is because you can wash it. 50% more airflow. Now, this is not a complete cold air intake. This is literally a drop-in filter, but even that can make a difference. Now, if you want true performance gains, then you're gonna get the whole cold air kit, because that's gonna redesign this little area. It's going to connect to your CPU, and you're going to have to get that reprogrammed if the car isn't attuned or accustomed to this stuff. People say cold air intakes, they're not worth it. It's just for sound, blah, blah, blah. It depends on the car. It depends on the engine. And if it doesn't improve anything, you need to go get it tuned. You need to go get the CPU tuned. More than likely, you need to get the CPU tuned so it can adjust to the new cold air intake that you just put on there. Now, saving money with this versus going out here every 5,000 miles and buying this. This has what, like a million-mile warranty or something like that, or a 10-year warranty and stuff. You're gonna save money with this, bro. You're literally gonna save money with this. You're gonna get a little bit better sound, and you're gonna save money, and you might get a performance increase. So what? What are you, 80 years old? You don't care for that stuff? You want to take it to the mechanic and have them overcharge you? No, buddy. This is all you need to do right here. Get your grandson to do it, all right? Open this box like this. Oh, we got some tape around it. I'm doing this with one hand. I might just rip through it. All right, there we go. This is what your air intake gonna look like on your little Jeep. And a few Chrysler and Dodge products, so they use the same parts, which they probably save a hell of a lot more money than you do buying this air. I'm gonna stop taking jabs at them. So, getting the little clamp. Get this plastic off of here. Is that all that's in the box? Nope. Probably something about registering. Got an Instagram, Facebook page, 10-year, million-mile limited warranty. Look at that. Washable, reusable. That can open up. That is not just one page. I just didn't open it up. So, I'll tell you right now, that looks off. But it should be okay. It should be okay. Amazon, whoever delivered this package, whoever put this air intake in there like this and thought it was okay, don't do that again. Don't do it again. All right? Thank you. Let's get a smell. Smells like gains. It smells like we about to get some HP gains. Look nice and wet. Pause. Anyway, we're gonna take this off, drop the new one in there, clamp it down. I'll be right back. Here we have old boy and new boy. New boy smells nice. Old boy smells stanky. Smell like it's overused, oily. Yeah. Let me tell you what you're gonna need. You can use the first 4 to take up. You can use a screwdriver for the first 4. Get 2 in the back. If you have a right angle screwdriver or a small screwdriver and your hands aren't big, you can stick it back there, or you can get a little mini socket wrench and get you a 5x16. And take them off. It's gonna take you a minute because you're not gonna be able to twist it all the way. It's gonna be a little small twist, but do not remove these cables. Lift this up, take it out. As you can see, it's even a little dirty up in there. So these are important to change. I'm gonna put this in there, I'm gonna clamp it down. We're gonna hear what it sounds like and see how well the engine is breathing. All right, is your filter in there nice and snug? Did you drop any screws? I hope not. This motherfucker will eat them. Excuse my language. Nice and snug. Make sure it's wrapped all the way around there. Tighten your clamp up. This is nice and snug. All right, I'm gonna put this back on there because I don't trust it. And then I'm gonna start the car. I don't trust these cables, dude. I don't know why you need these big old cables. And Dodge, don't you ever do this again. Don't ever do no stupid shit like this again. You should not have to dig all the way back here and get some screws out to change your damn engine. Man, piss me off, man. You know, I'm gonna be right back.